I'm here today at Adventure Island, right across the street from Busch Gardens in Tampa, to check out their all-new water slide, Vanish Point. Now, it's a drop slide. I've never actually done anything like this. A little nervous, but I am super excited. Let's go check it out. I've never done a slide quite like this before. What am I in for?
Oh, you're in for a lot then. This is completely different than any other slide in our park. I mean, the floor is going to fall right out below you. So there's a lot of anticipation that builds up, especially when you stand inside of there. You hear the heartbeat start going. You feel your own heartbeat start going. And then countdown drops out from under you.
Awesome. Now, how long is the slide?
So we're up 70 feet right now. The length of the slide is actually 425 feet. So there's about a 20-foot drop right out of the beginning, and then you continue down the rest of the slide.
Awesome. And so I'll be down there much faster than it's going to take them to walk down?
Oh yeah, you much faster.
Awesome. Any last-minute advice, tips or tricks?
Hold on.
Hold on. All right, here we go.
All right, good luck. Step right around the side here.
Welcome. Please enter.
All right, arms crossed, feet crossed. Make sure you put them on the plexiglass.
Okay.
There you go.
Three, two, one, launch!
Look at that! That was fantastic! How was it?
That was great.
You were rocketing through there. I could see you through the tube. How was it?
Oh my gosh, that was really cool. That was definitely not what I was expecting.
Not what you were expecting. Why? Tell me about that.
Oh, well, I knew it was going to drop out from under me. I don't know. I just wasn't expecting. I was expecting a little more. No, but it's like drop. And how fast was I going on that thing?
Well, you know, it depends. Everybody's body mechanics
Yeah.
are different. Probably most people are in the general 20 to 24 feet per second. You look like you were flying through there.
I felt like I was flying
and you
through
came
there.
out like an airplane landing on an aircraft carrier.
I was going to say, I'm probably one of the heavier people that of our guests that are going to do this, but whew.
Tell me what you thought when you first got in the capsule with the heartbeat and the countdown.
Oh man, it's great. You know, you first get in, I'm like, oh, that's fine. And then it closes, you're like, oh, I'm here.
You're here.
Oh, this is going to happen. And she's like, thumbs up. I was like, thumbs up. Like 3, 2. Oh, that's, I was like, I remember thinking, I'm going to make a funny face. And like, I don't have enough time to think about making a funny face. It's enough time to go, oh, and then you're gone.
We have over 425 feet. You just came down 1,000 gallons a minute of water propelling you through there. Would you do it again?
Oh, absolutely.
That's what we want
Maybe
to hear.
give me a few minutes
A
to
few minutes.
catch my breath.
If I could ask you a question, what's one word that describes it?
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. That was
Fantastic.
unexpected.
Repeatable
Yes.
and fun.
Yes.
What more can we ask for? Great. Thanks for coming out and visiting.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right. Appreciate it.
All right, so I just tried the Vanish Point drop slide. I'm now going to try the bailout. This is what happens if you get out here and you're maybe a little too scared to actually try the drop. This is supposed to be very, very similar. Can't wait to try it. So that was our look at Vanish Point here at Adventure Island. It was a ton of fun. If you guys want to check it out, Adventure Island is now open for the 2018 season. Visit adventureisland.com for tickets.